Welcome back, my friends, to another work from home job lead. If you are new here, my name is Lindsay, and I am always searching the internet to bring you the best work from home remote job leads there are. I post multiple times a day most of the time, so make sure that you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on. That way you never miss another job lead as soon as it is posted. Some job leads go very quickly. Just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. I do my best to double check things and weed out the scams before I share anything. But as always, do your own research before providing any personal information to any of these companies, and never ever pay for a job. But with that being said, without further ado, Crate and Barrel is a giant home decor retailer. I know they're in a lot of malls. I have one in the mall closest to where I live. They are hiring a customer service associate to work remote from home. They are looking for individuals who love customer service and serving the customer and are passionate about that. So with this position, you will answer customer questions, requests, and concerns via their customer interaction channels, which can include phone, chat, email, or any other channels that they use. You will provide product information and should suggest alternative product solutions to the customers based on their needs. You will enter orders into the system and verify that all the information is accurate with their shipping address, customer information. You'll provide delivery assistance of their orders to the customer, including scheduling their deliveries and resolving any issues with their orders or deliveries that they have. You'll provide service solutions to the customer, which can include assistance with gift registries, and you adhere to all their customer center guidelines. Now, they are looking for someone who is excellent reading and writing English language. They want someone who also has good math skills, great organizational skills, and has the ability to multitask. You need to have excellent telephone presence and interpersonal skills, and great with the data entry, typing, and computer skills. Now, they do require a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. Office or customer service experience is a plus for you, but it's not required. So this is really an entry-level customer service job. Now, as far as working from home, they do ask that you have a secure office setup that's dedicated and free from background noise. Now, this position is open to anyone with a home residence within a 90-minute drive of any company location. So if you have a Crate and Barrel retail store within 90-minute drive of your home, then you are eligible for this work from home position. They have stores across the country of the United States. I am not sure about other countries or other locations. I think this may be a US based company. They do ask that you're able to work customer service either full-time or part-time hours, but they do ask that evenings and weekends you have availability, because there will be some shifts that will be required for evenings and weekends. You also have to have your own computer set up. So that may be a downfall to some of you. They do not provide a computer. Now, as far as pay goes, the minimum starting rate is $14 an hour and goes up from there. So you will not be paid less than $14 an hour, and you have the option based on location and experience to be paid more than $14 an hour. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If this work from home job position is not for you, that is okay. I will be back very soon with another job lead for you. In the meantime, check out my playlist linked down in the description below of all the different job leads that I've done, from non-phone data entry or ones that hire globally. And do not forget, if these job leads are helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up like. That gives me feedback that I am delivering leads that are helpful to someone. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.